What will you say?
Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Okay. Amara, what will you say? Ayla, what will you say?
Happy Eid party.
Party ka karon. So this is Auntie Fatima. It is her first Eid here in the Philippines.
To celebrating Eid Adha.
It's her first time to celebrate Eid al-Adha here in the Philippines. Once again, candidate number 1.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming.
So this is Uncle Guy,
Ano yung kwaso mineral?
the Mufti Ming. This is Auntie Asma, our soon-to-be Hajj pilgrimage.
Amen.
Di ka man nasisi.
Iba pa rin na.
What will you say? Oh, yun ang tubig. Okay, now you say bye-bye.